Viewers and subscribers, Queenie friend them don't loyal to Queenie anymore. From Queenie go back to doing Wagwan when they and welcome forward to the channel. You see it and you don't know Queenie they over TikTok this morning I talk up some things. I say yo, she borrow £50 from one of her friend and her friend have it all over her talk still. But certain things you nothing borrow from a friend no Queenie. You see it. For your people not loyal nowadays. No people just come around for the fame or any little thing you see it. You can't trust nobody nowadays, you see it. Yeah man, so if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV. You see it for future upload to get right as it drop. And yeah man, we don't know which one a Queenie friend them still no, but she talk like it's a female, you see it, and she borrow £50. You know when she went in the hospital, you see it. So we are going to make sure talk what I want, you see it. So just, you can just speak phone of mine in the comment section, said we, you see it.
Will granted. So my argument is, if you're going to get up and may have a life journey, and you treat me in the past and me treat you in the past, and me say stick a whole heap of pin, put £50 on this and make it up for this, I want £50 for do that. For me, hear about that, me just hold my composure. When I see her, I'm not going to smile a while with her and give my face no blood clot rest. So I just tell her man and say, listen, I'm going to treat my body. But guess what? Me's a real deal. Because I'm not beg blood clot people. I'm not when I take care in a life. If I reach out for no dirty blood clot and if I'm glad for blood clot, wash my foot and drink the water. Hear that? Because the way I'm kind of help and sharing and caring, no blood clot pussy enough to use my weakness when me in a blood clot hospital. And such is life. Because mankind is unbomber pussy blood clot kind. I hear this again. Remember, my weakest time, when they cut out my belly, cut out cis plus, cut out rascal, one of my ovary, I'm a lie down on my back in the say, and see people turn them back on me and judge me, and class blood clot, because of material bomber blood clot things. You understand me? And for asking for 50 blood clot, I'll have to make up for bomber clot, put power on fucking blood pressure machine. When I come go like my depend blood clot, papa roll and they want to pussy blood clot liberty with me. Listen, me get on 5 blood clot when name blood pressure machine. And anybody where I chat blood clot, my boy, me they beg them £50 and I know no blood clot self. But me is a real blood clot deal. You hear that? And if you feel I wasn't worthy enough for you to give it, it's all right for you to speak. I'm a big bad and blood clot. I did ask for the fucking £50. When I want to treat blood clot when my heart and blood clot well for impress. Forget blood clot status and I pay dear for going to a blood clot company. But when my back is against a blood clot wall and telling us a blaps, £100 for what is fucking £100? And I eat that and then I saw me take plane like blood clot taxi. And then I see my liberty. So I survive. What is fucking £50 for not talking fucking take for table blood clot talk? When the whole inside of me are ratting out and I close to blood clot me. I want to run pussy blood clot me and I come go like say me some ras clot pop or sit down a road and pussy out cup and stress. And then I take no blood clot liberty with me because if I may have life with me, I go talk my vice and I go talk my truth. You know, sometimes some things happen in a life. And because you know so much people are going to get offensive, you have to just box yourself and swallow your spit and hold your compose. What's the word? Composure. And hold your composure. Yeah, but people can be so nasty and evil to know nothing at all. And then they will sit aside and they would class somebody with you, judge somebody else with you, chat blood clot somebody else with you. But as you slip to blood clot or hungry and beg them full your blood clot, belly them one class. I one thing with me now, I'm telling you now. You see my name on the food and the fuck with blood clot me. Belch off of my chest and a nasty stretch. Pardon to my nice crazy them, but see, that's one them a belch off, yeah. You see me just eating the food and I take liberty with me morning, Milton. My class and I'm telling my mind. But I'm not just eating the food and go back blood clot, stab them a key warrior for truth. I go back stab. I go backstab people because I know want to put me down. No can't blood clot put me down, my queen. I can't broke. You hear that? Me can't blood clot, but my rich in spirit, my rich personality, my rich in love, my rich in care, my rich in honor, my rich in respect. I one thing with me, see my wrong, I put up to my blood clot ram. I'm in a fake it. Me not impress it as I say, I stunt. Me no blood clot stunt it, cause I can't stunt. Me too real. You hear that? So me telling a blood clot. It's only can the one side I keep. No blood clot table talk about me and no blood clot 50 pound. Cause me no. And if I want to make blood clot big talk when me there in a hospital. Me talk. A big blood clot no. Who offer this, that, and then when me say send back this in return. One blood clot, blood pressure machine. You know one blood clot I walk, I come to like me the day at Jamaica dead for blood clot hungry. I'm the beg gonna pay my hospital bill. I'm the beg gonna pay for my medicine. I never have no nighty, I'm beg gonna buy no nighty. Me not have use my blood pressure machine because I have two in here. Let me telling you this. One woman big up boss lady from Jamaica. God, New Kingston go buy one machine for me. My friend Berger buy me one machine. You know much blood pressure machine me get? You know they sit down and take on a blood clot cover liberty. Bad man on a blood clot, bad man to not see Nicky look for me. And truly, and a lie, and a bad man did no blood clot before no glad and say, boy, Queenie, I come from in the dirt and the gutter and the mud. And Queenie stand firm no matter what you turn up, ching, chong. I know I'm blood clot, bad man, I sit down. Me a blood clot top girl, what the fuck gonna feel like? All the phone words are one of my one. Cause I'm gonna strength and power. So sometimes when I have the same material things and it can't comfort to now. My words are my power. I'm a nice personality. And they excited, I'm excited for life. Move on a blood clot. I wanna think I can blood clot show that when I did the hospital. Look for me this morning. My God is real in my soul. My God is real because he can wash and make me whole. My God is what? Real in my soul. God is not dead, he's alive. When Jesus says nobody can sin, no matter how much bad word come out of my mouth, I rebuke and send it back to the pit of hell. No matter how much bad words come out of my mouth, my heart is pure and clean. And that's why I can sit on this morning, big bolt, because God made me to be his warrior, whichever way I release it. I deliver his message and deliver my words, and my words that's God chosen me. So I'm telling her Raya crazy. So now the 5th, yeah, my boy Raya crazy. Do it, wife. Thank you. You see, that individual person talking about the 50 pound, get a hold on herself. Me have 50 times 50 pounds and me just walk and give it, so. You can't chat me about 50 pounds. You know how much people at Jamaica me have to hide from? I know how much people at Jamaica me give money. You know how much time me have my last blood clot money in my hand and give to at Jamaica because me know so me can't stretch to my next hand and find something. Move on a blood clot, I want to think I can't throw down. Who? I want to think me have to come per internet, come impress nobody what I do. Me do what I do from my heart. I mean, I have to come over here, come impress no blood clot body. So I'm telling you, sit down and make table blood clot talk. Sunday rice and peas with fried platinum with a slice of pear on it. Yes, and some carrot juice and some potato salad if you want to macaroni and blood clot cheese. And I come near and blood clot me for the Sunday blood clot dinner and I go. Me not busy if I want, so God I go do. God send you on Sunday and I send you on the rest of the days. Leave me alone, man. Me not keep nothing holy phone. My sin and my glory on the phone. So I don't rely upon me about no Sunday. Leave me alone. Any blood clot by them want borrow from our big, cause them damn blood clot me out. I want to know much people my blood clot take care. I want to know. Me a Santa Claus all around the blood clot here. You hear that? People for take care of blood clot. But what is fucking 50 pounds for now so long I chat and make blood clot argument over? Oh no, so my queen I go hear back. I want to blood clot and I'm stay broke without cash, I'm still rich. You never see me I get up about all over money yet? I feel blood clot survive because if my little fucking rainy day at Jamaica, if England rainy day done, me turn to Jamaica rainy blood clot. Then when England, Jamaica rainy day done, me have me pin them for blood clot except me not beg no go. Think you can't hide and blood clot chat. Me I print out to no dirty blood clot to no guy. What the fuck you feel like? Man, me black you too blessed. Come off from my phone, I'm not asking a question. Go stuff up with your argument in your stuff up and leave me alone. I don't like fucking stupidness and nonsense. You understand me? Foolishness. People eat and drink with you and their own blood clot you. When attack claps come and I sit down and what the fuck can I tell myself? I not got blood clot a lifestyle for myself to please nobody. I lie down and uncomfortable. I'm afraid for express me it's not that time. I express myself because it's how I feel on a fucking rude and disgusting. I don't know how much blood clot people I send come from England. I don't know how much people much people my feed. Who fuck with you gonna camp blood clot slug off I don't chat over 50 pounds. It's fucking rude. I would just laugh with me. I would that Jeffrey. You have live tag hate speech and hateful behavior respect violation could be in your life. I want me to talk about you know, leave me alone, man. Me I say something hateful over here. No leave me alone, TikTok. I that you don't know. When other people sit on a chat and I say all sorts, you don't know. You don't know tag them. They hear attack. What kind of hateful word me attack? Leave me alone, man. I don't go. Me tired of